Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. I hope everyone had a great new year. Today, my crafty friends and I have 10 cards, one Doodlebug collection. Collab. The Doodlebug paper pad that I used for today's 10 cards is Lots of Love 6x6 paper pad, and I paired a stamp set from Simon's Stamp called Happy Mail. So this is the stamp set I use. I stamped this super cute images on a Canson XL watercolor paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink, and I colored them with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I also added some crystal stickles on parts of the images, and that made them look more cuter. I didn't use all of the images on my cards today, but it's okay because I can save the leftover on another project later. So I also have the coordinating dies for these images, so it's made my life easier this time because I don't have to fussy cut them. Um, so here I'm taping all the dies on the images so they don't move when I run them through my die cutting machine. So here are all my die cut images. They are so adorable. I also have some of the sentiments and I just cut that with my paper trimmer. I love the shimmer on all of the images. I think my favorite one is the bear with the heart balloons, and these are going to look so pretty on my cards. Before we start, these dies are the ones I used to die cut some of the elements that will be added on our cards today. I did die cut all my papers off camera and I went on Pinterest to pick 10 card sketches. I love card sketches because you don't have to think of how you layer your papers on the cards or how big the cut papers will be. I want to also mention I use some scrap colored cardstock from my stash, and that being said, I'm going to let you watch the adhering part and I will see you at the end. Enjoy the video. And lastly, I have this hard clay pieces in my stash, and I'm going to use them and scatter them on my cards. And I also added some small scraps of papers under the stamp name on the back of the cards. And here are all my completed cards. I love how adorable they are. Perfect cards to send to crafty friends or family. Please check out my friends' videos and see what Doodlebug collection they used to create their 10 cards. I will leave all their links and also the supplies I use in my description box below this video. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.